missed again. Okay. Yay! I got it! Well, I guess I need a basket, like a basketball one, in the studio to have fun. So, hello friends. Today we will play mini basketball. Now, I'll just gather my team. Team? I guess I have my Jolly Battle team. Well, you know what we're gonna do today? Well, this is a simple game that we will create with our own hands, and we will entertain ourselves and our friends. Well, this game looks a bit like basketball, but in a mini version. Take a look at this. Oh, got it! Nice. Ah, yay! Next, we cut out strips measuring 2 on 10 inches. This will be the walls of our toy. We glue the walls into a square and add 2.2 or 2.2-inch inserts in the corners for the strength. And we glue them too. The next step is to glue our heroes onto our cups. Cut off the bottom to make the cups a little lower or a little smaller and glue them. Just follow up. Now our flip game is ready. Well, now it remains to develop the skills of passing the ping pong ball from one cup into another. In fact, this is not easy, just not as easy as it seems. But you need to have the nerve, as in any game where you need to hit the ball accurately. The toy develops dexterity, accuracy, and general coordination of movements, just like the kendama toy. By the way, you'll have to make this toy with your own hands. Guys, you can play hours. Laura, you forgot something. Yeah, all right, thanks. I forgot to tell you goodbye and see you soon. Don't forget that we have even more interesting and simple board games on our Jolly Battle channel. So subscribe, join us on social networks, and create your toys with us. See you next time. I'm too fascinated by this one.